So I'm going to my first ever Dodgers versus Mets game. Well, Mets game in general, but first time. Although I've been to my first baseball game, which was in San Fran, but hey, you know, let's go to Citi Field. I'm in the subway system, about to hop on the 7. I'm sorry from this big face, by the way. This is really the lowest Zoom I got. But my cousin's at Mets Stadium or Citi Field, so see y'all there. Come on. Alright, check this out. It's 2-1, Dodgers up, Mets down 1, the side. But check this out, we got pastrami sandwich. Yo. We got pastrami sandwich. We gotta try this out. Real quick, I'm gonna get a quick bite. Oh, they didn't cut the other part of the bite. Alright, screw it, man. Cheers. Bro, yo, good, yo, 9 out of 10, bro. Base 2. Holy! Soto! Oh my God! Oh, I gotta see this. We gotta see this. Wait, hold on. Oh! It is so cool. Yeah, there's the end of it. Woo! Bye-bye. Oh, yeah?
Go! 5-1. Scoreboard as of right now. 5-2 Mets. Game, folks.